Okay, so we start. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So a little review from yesterday. We have studied about the divisibility rule, right? So what number can be divisible by ones? Number can be divisible by
Well,
one.
any number is divisible by 1.
Any number, yes, any number can be divisible. Any number can be divisible by one. Any number. How about divisible by 2? What are the number that can be divisible by 2?
Even numbers?
Even
Or
number.
well,
Yeah,
okay.
all even number. All even numbers. And yes, if it's large number, even number is just noticed by the last digit, right? If the last digit is even number, the whole number will be divisible.
Yeah.
Next, oh, so divisible by 3. What type of number, if we see the large number and we want to check that number is divisible by 3 or not, how can we check?
If it ends with 3, 6, or 9. Wait, right? Wait. Wait, no, when we add like the numbers together, it ends with 3, 6, and 9.
Sum all of the number, yeah, sum of all digits number are always 3, 6, or 9. Can you give an example for this one?
Uh,
Example.
21,
21, yes. Can you give like a large number?
33,
33, yes.
66.
So like a large number, let's say like 5 digits number.
Oh, 66, 99, 33.
Oh, 66, 39, 33, yeah. That is a smart example. Like, it's all like, okay. Okay. Next, divisible by 4. How can we check the number is divisible by 4 or not? How do we check?
We can check
If it's
if the last two digits are divisible
divisible.
by 4.
Yes. So we check with the last two digits. Last two digits is divisible by 4, then the whole digit will be divisible by 4.
Divisible by 4.
Yes. Can you give the example? Large number. Hmm. Large number. So the large number, but notice the last two digits is divisible by 4. What are those
Yeah.
number? What are those number? Can you give an example?
55, 66, 48.
48, yes. If the last two digits is it's divisible by 4, then the whole number we don't care like it. Whatever happens here, no matter. But what matter is the last two digits number. All right. Wait. Divisible. Next. Next, divisible by 5. We let's study what are this number that is divisible by 5.
66, 70,
But how can we
40.
notice? How can we notice the number
So
is divisible by?
the the last digit is 5 or 0. If the last digit is 5 or 0, it's divisible by 5.
Yeah. So if you see the last digit is either 0 or
Okay.
5, then those number will be divisible by 5. You give two example. Two example.
Do I make the examples?
Yeah, yeah. Can you give two example that two
2,430,
145?
45.
Okay. One more example with 0. Let's say one with 5, one with 0. Another example that is divisible by 5.
Are you typing?
Yeah, I wait for your answer two times.
Okay. 55, 40,
43.
3, 50.
Yes. So we don't care whatever happens here. What it's really matter is the last digit's number. If the
Yeah.
last digit number is either 0 or 5, then it must be divisible by 5. Okay. Next one that we have studied, divisible by 6. Okay. How do we notice the number is divisible by 6? What?
It's a compound number,
Yeah.
so it means like if it's like even and it's divisible by 3.
Yeah. So 6 is equal to 2 times 3. It's compound of 2 and 3. So if it's work for 2, which is here, and it's work for 3, then it will work for 6. So it's
Yeah.
need to be work for 2 and 3. Or in the other word, we can say the number that is divisible by 6 must be even number, and the sum of all digits number are always 369. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Can you give the example? Like yesterday, you gave the example, and then like started.
We did it wrong.
Yeah, we started struggle. Okay.
Um, 45,
Four,
36,
36,
42.
42. Okay, so the number will be 9, 36, 42, which is okay. It's even number and divisible by 3, so it will work. Okay,
Is it?
yeah. If
Okay.
we're not sure like it's still correct or not, like yesterday we checked one time, but we still have like no confidence. Like you still confident with this or not? Then we can try this number now. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, first of all, how to check this number is divisible by 6? We check by,
We
okay.
add.
Okay, first of all, this is even number. So it's work for 2, right? First of all,
What if it's an odd number? Oh, we just
if
add
it's
it
odd
now.
number, it's not work for 2. Right? It's not work for 2, then it won't be work for 6.
Okay.
Yes. Now we checked first condition, it's even number, correct? Now it have to fulfill the another condition of 3, which is all number adding together is 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2, which is equal to this is 9, this is 9, this is 6. So 9 plus 9 plus 6 is equal to 18.
18 plus 6 equals 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
24, yes. And 2 plus 4 is 6.
8, no 6. Sorry.
Yeah. Then it is yes. Now it's complete those two condition, 2 and 3. Now we
Okay.
sure that it will be divisible by 6 by the rule, but do we really believe the rule?
Mm,
Oh, that is the
yeah.
problem. Yeah. Okay. Let's say yes, but we want to check like the rule
Oh.
is really the rule or the rule is just a lie. So 5, 4, 3, 6, 4, 2 divide by 6. It will be 2 digit, right? How many times
6,
6
6.
go to 54? How many times 6 go to 54?
9.
9, yes. 9 times 6, 54. And then this is 0. We drop the 3. What is our next steps?
We we drop a 6 down after we subtract 3 by 0.
Okay, so then how can we subtract 3 by 0? We
We subtract 3 by 0, and then we put 0 to the
quotient.
with 9.
Yeah, it's quotient. We studied quotient.
Yeah.
Okay, I delete this first. Okay. Okay, so then we drop another 6 here. Then how many times 6 go to 36?
6.
Yes, 6 times 6, 36. So this is 0. Then we drop the 4, and 4 is
You
left.
subtract it by 0, then add 0 to the quotient, then you drop down 2.
Yes. And then how many times 6?
7.
7. 7 times 6 is 42, which is remainder 0. So it is divisible. Okay? So the number is divisible. So the rule, now we apply the rule and the rule is correct. So we trust the rule now. So we can trust the rule now.
Trust the rule now.
Yeah, we can trust the law now. Okay. So next we will continue with the one more challenging rule is divisible by 7.
7.
7. Okay, 1 minute, please. I was under the rain. Now it's rainy season in Cambodia.
I want rain. We have hot summers.
Oh,
I hate it.
here is rain, but when you have rain, you like, it's always rain at 5 o'clock. Always.
I
Like
want that.
when I leave my work and I ride a motorbike, so when I leave from my work, it start to rain. If I don't come under the rain, 1 hour later, it will be flooded. So like,
Really?
yeah, it will be flooded in Phnom Penh. Like Phnom Penh is kind of suck, like it's rains after rain is flood, and it's always happens.
Hmm.
So we need to like prepare with that. That is Cambodia, so we need to. All right.
Hmm.
But after like was under the rain for like couple day, like I'm so super sick now.
Super sad, super sad. How it is.
Okay, so what are the number that is divisible by 7 is
7, 14, 21, 28,
10,
35, 40,
21,
20,
28,
28, 35, 42,
5, 42, 48,
49. Oh, wait,
49,
48,
49, 49, right? 49,
56,
56,
40, 90,
60,
38,
70,
12, 14, 21, 22,
and
23,
continue like 77, 84,
84,
and yes, continue. Do
7, 14, 21.
yeah, if you have that poem, it's very nice that you can remember very quick. Like I have a student, they are really struggling with the multiplication of 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Oh, the other is okay. So they always use the multiplication table and I got it. Can I check? Can I check?
Tell them I got them, bro. I'll send them to you.
Oh, okay. Yes. All right. So, coming back. So, do we have the pattern that all of these number that is divisible by 7? But do we have the pattern to see that we can notice that number is divisible by sevens?
Not really.
No,
No,
not really, right? Not really. We don't see the
not
pattern. First of all, we don't see the pattern. There's no pattern here. So, no pattern, first of all. If we have the pattern, we just can conclude the results. But then we try to figure out and notice like how it is possible. So we we have seen this. Uh, the number, for example, do you think, for example, it's a large number, for example, 105. Will this number divisible by 7 or not?
Hmm.
Let's check.
No.
Let's check
Oh.
together. Yes. Now, when divide by 7, it will be two digits. So 7 times 1 is 7. So this is 3. 5 drops here. How many times 7 go to 35?
5.
5, yes. 7 times
Oh, it is.
35, yeah. Now it is divisible by 7. So, wow, this number is even no patterns. But then they realized that, oh, 7 is quite challenging. So they try to double this number. If we double this, 5 times 2, it is 10.
10.
Mhm. And the other number, the other rest number is 10. So when 10 minus 10, the rest of the number minus the double of the last digit number is 0. And 0 is always divisible by 7, correct? Okay, this is like a one example. Let's give another example. Another example is like
Okay.
example here, divisible by by sevens. Okay, so let's have continues. Let's have example number 112. Will this divisible by sevens? So we need to check. First of all, we need to check sevens.
Hmm.
7 times 1 is 7.
No.
It is 4. And we drop the 2.
It's not divisible. Oh my god, it is divisible.
Yes. So how many times 6, right?
6.
It's 42, and this is divisible by 2, by 7. So we also notice that 112 is also
Wait,
divisible
how can you total?
by 7. So they have noticed that this number 2, when we double it, 2 double it is 2 times 2, right? So double the last digit number is 4. The rest of the number will be,
Wait, so the last digit we double it by 2?
we double it. Double it mean we multiply by 2, right?
Yeah.
Not double it by 2, it's double it, so it's multiplied by 2.
Oh yeah, multiply by 2.
Yeah. Minus the last digit, the double of the last digit number, which is 4, so it is 7. So if the result, if divisible by 7, this number is divisible by 7. So this is quite challenging for the 7s, but that is the rule that we notice. If the last digit's number, we double it, minus
So
the rest of the
so
number is divisible by 7, it is divisible by 7.
so we multiply the last digit by
Mhm.
2
Yes.
and then we subtract that by the two
The-
digits in front.
yeah,
Or the digit.
the rest of the digit, if it's 4 digit number, for example, like a 100, and let's say 7. So when sevens double it, it will be 14, right? So we take the rest of the digits, which is 100, minus 14, it will be 82.
82.
But is it 82 divisible by 7? No.
No,
No. So
sorry.
this number
Sorry, no.
is not divisible by 7. Not divisible by 7.
A
If if the result divisible by 7, then this
100.
number is divisible by 7.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, now can you give the example so that we want to check like the rule is really the rule, or
214.
wait. Okay, example 214, this number.
Yeah.
So to check, first of all, we check these four, we double it, it will be 4 times 2, it is 8. The other digits,
And then we subtract 21
yeah,
by 8.
21 minus 8, it will be
13?
13. Yes, now 13 is divisible by 2 or not? Oh,
No.
7 or not?
No, no.
No, so this number is not divisible by 7 by the rule. It's not divisible by 7. We can check. We can check, is it really not divisible by 7, or the rule is just the rule. Okay, divide by 7, so take two digits, so 3 times 7 is 21, and then 0, we drop the 4. Now we cannot continue division, right? So this is not divisible with the member of 4. So the rule is correct. Now, can you have another example that is divisible by 7? This is not divisible. Now we want to have a number that is divisible by 7.
Um, 164.
164. So when we double it, it will be 4 times 2, which is 8. And the rest of the numbers, 16 minus 8 is
8.
8. So it's still not. So 8 is not divisible by 7, right? So this.
How about
Mhm. How about another example? So this number
33, 4.
33, 4. So 4 we double it, it will be 8, like the same as here. 33, 33
Subtracted by 8 is 32,
minus
31, 30,
8 is
29,
25.
25. Then it's still not divisible.
Still not divisible by 7. What?
Oh my god. How about
How about
444?
4, 4,
44?
4? 4, 4.
It's my lucky number.
Oh, really? 4, 4,
4 is my
4.
lucky number.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now check, is it work or not? Double it, it will be 8. So this will be 44 minus 8. It will be
Um
30.
4 is my lucky number. That's why I keep adding it.
44 minus 8. It will be 30.
43, 42, 44. Oh my god. 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36?
36, yes. And the does it divisible by 7?
Is that's still not divisible by 7. Oh
Yes.
my
Wow.
174.
174. Lose 174. Okay. 100. Next is 174. So double this will be 4 times 2, which is 8. The rest will be 17 minus 8, which is
6, 15, 14,
oh 9, which is 9.
9.
Still, it's not divisible by 7.
Oh my god!
Why it's very hard to find the
214?
114. Okay,
Yes.
one more try. 114. So double it is
No, 214. 2.
214 is 8. So this is 21 minus 8, which is uh, 13.
14, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. It's still not divisible.
Yes, still not. Oh, how comes? How comes? Why? Why?
Circumference.
One more try. One more try.
215?
300.
No, 20. 316.
16. Okay, now we double the 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Now 31 minus 12 equals to 31 minus 12 is
30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25.
31 minus 9.
9,
19.
29. 29, 29,
29,
29.
yeah, 29. 29, is it divisible by 7?
No, it isn't.
No, it isn't still. Oh my god, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, next try, next try.
32
We want to have,
is
we want to have the number.
326. 26.
326. Okay, so 6 is double it, so it will be 12. The other will be 32. Oh, minus 12. It will be 20.
Wait. 306.
306. Okay. 306. 6 double
12.
will be 12. 30. minus 12 is 20
Finally. It's too much.
is what?
Wait, wait,
Wait, is
wait. Is it 18?
is 18. Yeah. Still not divisible by 7. Oh my god.
Wait.
Still not divisible by 7s.
315. 315. Please.
315s. So 5 two times 5 doubled 5 is 10. This is 31 minus 10 is,
I got the answer and it's not divisible by 7.
wait, 31 minus 10
Oh, I also subtracted 21 minus 15. My bad.
is
Oh, it's 20. Finally!
21. Yes, so that is divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by 7 by the rule. So let's check. This number is
How many
really,
examples do we have?
how many example? Like one, two, three,
Mm-hmm.
four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 10 example. Like on the tens, and we get
Wow.
the answer. Oh my god. Okay, now we find the number that is divisible by 7, but it's by the rule, by the check king. So now we want to make sure that it's really divisible or not. So 3, okay, so 315 divisible, divide by 7. How many times 7 go to 31?
Um, 30. Hold up. 5? Wait, no, 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 no. 4.
4. 4 7 times is 28, right? So this is 3 and 5. So how many times 7 go 35?
5.
5. Yeah. 5 times 7, 35. Then, yes, that is divisible by 7. So now we know that the rule is correct. We can believe the rule now. So going back, the rule is apply. So in order to check the number is divisible by 7, first of all, we need to double the last and subtract the rest. Maybe like double the last, subtract the rest. Subtract the rest. Hmm. Double the last, subtract the less. The rest. Ah, alright. Boy, subtract. Okay. Double the last, subtract the rest. For example, like what we did is 315. So it's 31 minus 5 times 2, which is equal to 31 minus 10, which is equal to 21. So in order to check the number is divisible by 7 or not, we need to take the double of the last digit number minus the rest of the number, and the result, if the result is divisible by 7, then that number is divisible by. Double the last, subtract the rest, results is divisible by 7, then that is divisible by 7.
Wow.
Yeah,
10 examples.
hard example. Now you can get this idea, right? For the, like,
Well, yeah.
yeah,
Please, no more examples for number 7. Please.
okay. Like if you happen to give example in class, if you check this one, for example, maybe it's a
Yeah.
hidden brain. For example, this 214, we know that if we double, it's 8, right? And 21 minus 8 is 13, which is not divisible by 7. So to
Yeah.
give the example that is matching that is divisible by 7, how about you increase this one more, right? If we want,
234?
because we want this to be 14, right? If 14 is, we know that 13 is not divisible by 7, but 14 is, right? 13 is not, but 14 is. So we need to increase one more.
224.
Yeah, so if it's 22 minus 8, it will be 14. So it will be divisible by 7.
Okay.
Similarly, for example, this example 174, we get the result is 9, but we know that 9 is not divisible by 7. What number is nearly 9? It's divisible by 7.
Huh? 7?
7, yes, 7. So how do you increase this number to match the
We
result is
is
7?
that is that 174?
100, 100.
Oh yeah. 100, just make it 172, right?
No, the 4 is not changed. What we change is the other beside last digit number, the rest.
Oh,
So we decrease
154?
154, yes. So if 154, 15 minus 8 will be 7. So this is number that is divisible by 7. You can check by the rules.
Yay.
Similarly, for example, here we know the result 21, 20. We want to have 21, so meaning that we should increase what number?
Hmm.
If we want to make,
300. So we should increase the 32 to a 33.
yeah, to 33. So the number that divisible by 7 is 336, right?
Yeah.
336. Yes, that will be divisible by 7. Yeah. Okay. All right. So next is divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. Divisible by 8 is, what are the numbers? We will drop to first. What are the number that is divisible by 8? What are the number divisible by 8?
8, 16, 24,
Yeah, 8, 16, 24,
32, 40, 48,
40, 48, and then
56, 64, 72,
56, 64, 72, and 80.
80, 88, and then,
Continue like 96
yeah,
something.
96. Yeah.
Do we have, sorry, do we have the pattern here? Let me see.
They all end with 8, 6,
It's
4, 2, 0.
6420. It's look like, yeah, it look like 86420. But so can you give,
Wait,
if,
actually, they all end with 6, 4, 2, 0.
yeah, it's end with 86420. But now can we conclude the pattern is will be, if it's end with 02468, it will be divisible by 8 or not. So can you give the large number that is either ends with this part, 864,
Wait.
any number,
56.
56, a little large, not just two digits, like
Oh,
three or four
56,
digits. Maybe you want to
42,
42,
34,
2, and what else?
34.
34. Okay. Now it's end with 4, right? If we assume
Mm,
that this, if we follow this pattern and it end with 4, will these divisible by 8?
yes.
So how many times 8 go to 56?
6.
6,
Wait, no, 7. 7.
7. 7 times 8 is
56.
56. So this is 0. We drop the 4. 4 is small, so we add 0 and we drop the 2. Right? How many times 8 go 42s?
Um, 7. Wait, 6.
No. 6 times 8 is 48, right? How many times 8 go to 42?
5.
5,
You,
yes. 5 times 8 is 40. And then we have 2. We drop the 3. And how many times 8 go to 23?
2 times.
2 times. 2 times. 8 times 2 is 16. And it is
74.
74.
Which is not divisible. Never mind.
Yeah, that is not divisible by this. Okay. So we notice that, or we cannot assume that this pattern is correct if it either end with 4, 8, 6, 2, 0. It's not divisible by h. So yeah, we
Yeah.
conclude that is not divisible by a. But one more thing is, we know that somehow we can sense, not we can sense, the rules already said, uh, divisible by 8 is a couple with the divisible by 4. Do you notice like how we figure out the number that divisible by 4? I do.
Well, it was because last two digits were like we could divide by 4 or
Yes.
divisible.
For divisible by 4, we check the last two digits. For example, here 1 and 2. If the last two digit number is divisible by 4, then the rest of the number will be the it, it will be divisible by 4. But
So that's but with 8.
for age, we notice like this. If the number, if the last three digits number, so for,
3 digits?
yeah, for 4, for divisible by 4, we notice only the last two digits number. But divisible by 8, we notice by the last three digits number.
Okay.
So, for example, we have 3, 161. So if the last three digits number is divisible by 8, then no matter what happened before that, it will be divisible by 8. So
Okay.
yeah, but we want to know like a 1 6, is it really divisible by 8 or not?
Uh, okay, I've got a number.
No.
42.
So
Oh,
okay, make it
oh,
slide.
for example,
Okay, so can you give the randoms example? The last three digits,
42,
42,
16,
16,
uh, 48,
48,
8, 8.
8, and 8. Okay, so if these last three digits number is divisible by 8, then the rest of the number will be divisible by 8. So we checked, first of all, we check the last three digits. 488, is it divisible by 8?
You can divide 48 by 6.
Yeah, by 6 and 48, and this is 0, and we drop the 8, it 1. So it's divisible by 8. So by the rule, the rest of the number will be divisible by 8. This is checking point, like this is checking point, but we want to like to make sure the rule is correct or not. Now we already checked that this number is divisible by 8 by the rule. Now we check the rule. We check the rule. We want to check the rule. So the whole number divided by 8 will be divisible or not. So how many times 8 go to 42?
Into 42.
Yeah,
Oh,
42.
42. It's was you said 42, right?
Yeah. Now we
5.
divisible.
5.
Yeah,
5.
5. 5 times 8 is 40.
40.
So this is 2, and we
And then
drop the ones. How many times 8 is 21?
2.
2. 2 times 8 is 16. So 21 minus 16 is
Oh, 10,
5.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And then you subtract the 2 and you make the 2 into a 1. Then you drop down to 6.
Yeah, we drop down to 6. So how many times 8 go to 56?
7.
How many?
7 goes
7.
into
Yeah,
56.
7 times 8 is 56. So 0, and we drop the 4.
48. Oh.
It's small, right?
We add
Small.
0 to the quotient and then we drop down 8.
Yeah, we add 0, and this is 8 one more. How many times 8 go 48?
6.
6. 6 times 8, 48. So this is 0. We drop another 8, and we have 1. 1 times 8
Yeah.
is 8. So it is
52.
8. Yay. So that is correct. So to check any number that is divisible by 8, we need to see the last three digits number. So if the last three digits number is divisible by 8, therefore that number is divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. So divisible by 8 is also quite challenging because like we need to see the last three digits anyway. So to check take a little times.
The only one that's really really hard for me is number 7.
Yeah, number 7. It's like you need to double it and then you subtract the rest. So the rule is double the last, subtract the rest. All right. So last one. Divisible by 9.
9.
Yes, last one divisible by 9. So what? Wait. So what's the number? What number divisible by 9?
9, 18,
9, 18, 20,
27, 36,
36, 45,
54,
54,
63,
63,
72,
72,
81,
90.
90,
Okay, and it's continuous.
99.
Yeah, it's continuous.
Okay.
Is there any pattern do we see?
No?
No, alright, there's no pattern here. So first of all, there's no pattern, so we need to like we can conclude the rule. So let's see the rule. The rule they said that 4 is a couple with 8, and 3 is a couple with 9. 3 is couple with 9. So 3 is couple with 9. Then the rule said if the sum of all digit number are divisible by 9, then the rest of the number will be divisible by 9. It's similar to the divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 is the sum of all digit number is divisible by 3, then the whole number will be divisible by 3. For 9
So
if yes,
yeah.
for 9 if the rest of the sum of all digit number is divisible by 9, then those number will be divisible by 9.
So the sum of all digit number divisible by nine.
Yes,
Divisible.
the sum of all digits number is divisible by 9, then the rest of the whole number will be divisible by 9. Sorry. So
It's all good.
yeah, can you give the example? Before
Um,
before you give the example, we can check here first. So the sum of
81.
this digit number will be 1 plus h with result as 9, right?
Nine.
If for this one, it will be 2 plus 7 is 9,
Nine.
right? It's always 9. 3
They
plus, yeah.
they all add up to nine.
Yeah, it's all add up to 9, so 3 plus.
Wait, so then there is a pattern.
Yes, it's sex a pattern. That's why they have that kind of rules. 4,
Nine.
5 plus 4 is 9, 3 is 9, this is 9, this is 9, this is 9. How about 99? 99 also divisible by 9, right?
Yeah.
But if it's adding together, it's 18.
18.
And if we add those number, 1 plus 8
Not nine.
is not 9 or 9.
Wait.
1 plus 8,
Oh,
yeah, 1
my
plus
bad.
8 is 9.
Nine, nine, nine. 108.
Yeah, that's why we have that rule. Okay, so let's give one example from you. Large number that is all the sum, all digit number is
36,
36,
42,
42,
63.
63. Is it divisible by 9? This is 9, this
Um,
is 9, but this is not 9, right? 4 plus 2 is 6.
change it to 52.
50,
No, 54.
54,
My
yes.
bad. I said
Should be like a 30, should be 36, 54, and 63. Yeah, that is the smart example. Like 999. Yes, this is the smart move. Okay, now we want
well,
to fix the
I
rule.
really always do that, but I always put like some random number in so it doesn't look like I all got it from like, you know.
Guessing, yes, but that is the smart move. Okay, that is smart move. Okay, now 9. We know that is if we adding together, it will be 9999. So it's divisible by 9. So now we divide by 9. So how many times 9s go? 36.
6. Wait, no, no, 3.
3. 3. 3 times 9 is
9, 18, 27, 30. 4, 4.
yeah.
My bad.
4 times 9, 36, which is 0, and we drop the 5. 5 is
And then,
smaller than 9. Add 0, right? And
yeah,
then we
and
drop the
then
4. How many times 9s go? 54.
6,
6. 6 times 9, 54. And this is 0. We drop the 6. How many times?
3. Oh, and then we add a zero to the quotient,
Yeah, we add 0 to quotient, we drop the 3. It will be
and then it's nine, 7.
7, 7, 7, 9, 33. So that is correct. So it's the rule is confirmed. Now we confirm the rule. So yay. So let's add together. It's divisible by 9. So it's divisible by 9. So okay, now we can have the rules that the sum of all digits number is divisible by 9, then that number
Is divisible.
that number is
Divisible, divisible, divisible.
divisible. Yeah, by 9. No, yes. Okay. The very last one is divisible by 10, right?
Well, okay.
Okay, divisible by 10 is the very easy one. Like, you don't need the scholar or any any mathematician to help, but we always notice that what number is divisible by tens? What do you think?
Mm, they
What?
always just end with zero, and they're always like one, two,
Yeah,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
yeah. If
So
okay, so the number will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So all these number are divisible by 10, right?
yeah,
So now can you see the patterns? The pattern is
yeah. It's like the first numbers are like one, two, three, four,
mhm.
five, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and then all the numbers end with zero.
Yeah, all the number is end with zero. If all if any number that end with zero, that number is divisible by 10, right? So example we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. This number will be divisible by 10. If it's end with 0, it will be divisible by 10. And when we divide by 10, we just cut one zero. This is the result, right?
Yeah,
Or if it's like 1 million divided by 10, what is the result? 1 million divided by 10.
1 million divided by 10, 10, blah, 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 blah. They all end with zero. They always end with zero.
Yeah, but the result will be just, if we divide by
Oh
10,
my.
just cut one zero. This is the result, right?
Then 100,000.
100,000, yes. So when divide by 10, just cut one zero. That is the divisible by 10. So divisible by 10, we can conclude that the last digits number is 0, then this is divisible by 10. Divisible by 10. All right. So divisible rule, we already studied divisible by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, by 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There should be like a 11, 12, 30, 40, but it will be like compound number of number.